looking at a wall here. Stumbled upon this guy. It looks like the tips broke, but I don't. Oh, that's deep in there. That's super deep in there. Oh, that's really deep. Oh my God. Oh, dear Lordy. Holy smoker alert. I gotta get to water. Come here. Oh my God. This is just a landing spot. Like, I'll go check that out. Here's some land. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. This is one of the nicer ones I've found here. This is going to be unreal. The base is broke. The tips broke. Oh my God. Look at that fine blade. I think this is, dang, that base. Crap. Wow. Dang, busted. Look how thin that is though. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. Dang. Dang. All right. It's a beaut, but it was almost a smoker.